Meet the Celero 4322, MultiCam's newest digital finishing system. Completely made in America, the 4322 meets the market's demands for a new cutter with unparalleled price and performance. Made with the highest quality U.S. steel, its robust industrial strength frame provides rigidity to maximize the quality of your cuts and extend the lifetime use of your machine. The Celero 4322 print service provider model you see here comes standard with a table size capable of a maximum cut width of 126 inches by 78.5 inches. So if your applications include banners, building wraps, transit graphics, or other oversized flexible media, the Celero 4322 passive roll system provides 10-foot roll widths or two 60-inch roll width capabilities. The max cut speed of the Celero is 20 to 60% faster than other tables of comparable size, running up to 4,000 inches per minute, and provides an acquisition cost up to $40,000 less than other comparably sized digital finishing systems. To increase your productivity as well as your profits, the new 4322 comes standard with the following features: a 3-tool carriage that includes a drag knife, oscillating knife, and a 3-horsepower routing spindle. Automatic knife tool changer to minimize or eliminate the need for manual tool changes. A passive roll system for your roll media needs. A conveyor to help advance your productivity. 4 pneumatically controlled vacuum zones. Camera vision and laser system for fast and easy recognition of registration marks and edge detection. A computer workstation. And Choreo operating software. The Celero 4322 is specifically designed to increase your productivity by significantly decreasing the time it takes you to go from one application to the next. We understand the true cost of downtime, and keeping your machine cutting is what Celero does best. For example, when cutting banner and other roll media applications that include vinyl or textiles, the 4322's 10-foot width and 78.5-inch length decreases the number of times in which you will need to convey for long runs. Utilizing the automatic tool changer, you can easily access the kisscut tool and quickly go from cutting banners to cutting labels, stickers, and other kisscut applications. For those doing prototypes of long-run packaging applications, the Celero can provide creasing, cutting, and perforating without the need for any manual tool changes. And for any applications requiring acrylic or aluminum, the Celero's 3-horsepower router spindle can be used to cut layers of up to 1/4 inch in a single pass. Without exception, the Celero 4322 offers the industry's best all-around cutter and a price and performance that is built to last. For a demo or needs assessment, please call us at 972-929-4070 or visit us on our website at www.multicam.com.